Off to rescue a broken XR70. Ground is soft. Urban friendly. Appears to be. All is good. We made it across. No trolls came out. We didn't fall in.
Pretty soon we're gonna have to stop.
Hey, just in time.
That part right over there. Hey, dude. Hey, dude.
Hi, Eric. What'd you do? Oh.
I was going up the hill and I looked down and it just blew up. Dropping off the chunk out.
That might just be the case cover and not the engine case. But yeah, a nice crack right through the cover. All right, let's load it up. Yeah, you're gonna lift the front wheel. Up, set the front wheel on the deck. Good. Move forward a little bit. Okay. Now you're gonna do the same with the back. The front. You put the front at the back.
Move it over there a little more.
Right in. Lean it. Stuff it in there. Okay, off we go.
You have to close that.
One wounded Honda. Are we ready?
You.
Are you ready? Here we go. More weight, more traction, right? Time I should probably get this show motivating along here. Get this time.
That one is.
Hey, close the gate.
Fixed it.
You're welcome. We're home. Less weight. Less weight, more speed. Vroom, vroom. Inside is a gift from Nana and Grandpa. Nana and Grandpa, my first dirt bike in 1970. 9. So 40 years later, they'd like to buy your first ATVs.
Thanks, Nana.
Thank you,
Grandpa.
Nana.
So there's a little bit of dough. Let's try to find an affordable ATV for each of you
Alright.
and see if we can negotiate a deal where we can get it for the dough that you got, so you get on something right away.
Mm.
I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. Thanks, Mom and Dad.
Thank you, Nana. Thanks,
Thanks.
Grandpa.